Hey everybody, this is Kim Siever with Hot Pepper Communications. We specialize in writing, editing, and social media management. Today I want to talk to you about, is wedding anniversary capitalized? I recently saw an example I saw on Facebook. Kinda busy celebrating my 20th wedding anniversary with my dear husband. Notice that wedding anniversary is capitalized. I see examples of this fairly often. In fact, capitalization is one of the writing mistakes I correct most frequently. Here's the thing. You should capitalize words in basically only 3 situations. Number 1, proper nouns like Canada, Jane, Saskatchewan. Number 2, first word in a sentence. And number 3, the main words in a title. I'm not sure why some people feel it necessary to capitalize words beyond this. Back to my example. Wedding anniversary is not a proper noun. It's not the first word in a sentence, and it's not the main words in a title. This should have simply been written as wedding anniversary with a lowercase w and a lowercase a. Remember the next time you are tempted to capitalize a word, to ask yourself if it's a proper noun, if it's the first word in a sentence, or if it's part of a title. Otherwise, just let it be. I hope you like this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below what you thought. Also, please share and subscribe. You can find me online at hotpepper.ca or visit me on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, or LinkedIn.